Law in 3 minutes. Attorney-client relationship. The formation is based on an agreement between the parties. It may be implied or based on a reasonable belief of the client. When there is an attorney-client relationship, a lawyer is a fiduciary of the client. The duties of the lawyer are to be a competent representation of the client, provide diligent advocacy, and provide effective communication in a timely and effective manner. The lawyer may decline representation if there's a conflict of interest, personal or bias between him and the client. Also, based on client's conduct, such as fraudulent activities or repugnant or unethical actions, or failure to cooperate or fulfill obligations. Furthermore, declining representation may also be based on frivolous claims, weak evidence, financial burden, lawyer's competence, his physical, mental health, or his busy schedule. Decision-making process for the client is based on criminal cases. The client may either accept or reject a plea agreement, waive jury trial, testify, or appeal. In civil cases, the client may either accept or reject settlement offers. Lawyer decision-making process is based on his reserved, actual, or apparent authority. In this case, he may make decisions based on those powers that the client may give to him, and also in this case, actual authority and apparent authority in situations where the perception of third parties. Client with diminished capacity, lawyer needs to maintain a normal relationship and may need to assign guardianship or protectorship if needed. Termination by the client may be done at any time with no justification. In writing preferred, client may be requesting a case file and an itemized invoice. For the lawyer, the termination is not an absolute right. It must be in compliance with the rules. The lawyer may terminate if he has a mental, physical health condition, financial burden, or unreasonable difficulty dealing with the client. During termination, lawyers shall seek court approval if the case is ongoing in court, protect client's interests at all times, and give reasonable notice to client, and close the file properly. Fee recovery needs to be made by an agreement. If no agreement, it has to be reasonable. Fee splitting between lawyers working on the same case needs to be proportional with client's consent and joint responsibility between both lawyers.